summer na naman. Bikini season na naman kaya gusto natin magpa-sexy. Tamang-tama na nandito ka dahil ang workout natin for today ay nakakaliit ng tiyan at nakakabawas ng timbang. Kaya kung gusto mo yan, ano pang hinihintay mo? Tara na, let's work it out! Simulan natin sa medyo madaling move, marching high knee taps. Kaya mo ba to? Kayang-kaya, diba? Just make sure to engage your abs and regulate your breathing. Exhale, 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 exhale. Lift your knees as high as you can. Feel the music. Good job! Now we reach up kasabay ng pag-angat ng heels, balik, then reach the floor kasabay ng pag-bend ng knees. Kaya mo to. Up and down. And up and down. Very good. Very good! O, ito naman, crossover toe reach para ma-burn yung fat sa sides natin. Kaya mo? Syempre, ikaw pa ba? Let's go! Reach and reach. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Ayos! Next move para sa mas maliit na bewang at tiyan, combo na side bends to torso twist. Madali lang to. Exhale every time you bend and twist. Bend and twist. Exhale and exhale. Yan! Kabilang side naman, bend and twist ulit. At sana nag-e-enjoy ka so far dito sa ating weight loss workout. Don't be shy, stay the whole night, 'cause we gotta kill a vibe, yeah. Your skin feels like the finest sheets. Your lips are what I thought they'd be. Oh, I'm dreaming but I'm not asleep. It's you and me up in a tree, yeah. After this move, may lalabas na ads sa screen so pwede tayong magpahinga saglit. Thank you, sexy love! Okay, we're down to our 6th move, step back to knee lift. Dito muna tayo sa left side. Inhale first, then exhale sa pag-angat ng knee. Step back, knee lift. Inhale, exhale. Kaya mo yan, sexy love! Good job! Kayang-kaya, diba? Switch to the right side. Ang technique to maintain your balance is to keep your core tight. Tighten your abs. Gets? Would you get up? The rest of me, don't think twice. Baby, sit tight. 'Cause we gotta kill the vibe. Don't be shy. Stay the whole night. 'Cause we gotta kill the vibe. Alright, napakagaling! Next up, knee to elbow crunch para sa flatter tummy and abs. I know you can do this. Exhale and exhale. Keep it going. Next move natin, side to side reaches with toe taps. Pero gusto ko high energy pa rin. Ready? Twist your torso as you reach side to side. Very good! Next move, ang favorite belly buster natin, ang good chops. Start tayo sa right side. Inhale first, then exhale sa pag-swing ng arms.
I'm trying to figure out where
That's it! You're doing great!
I'm going to fit, but I stumble in the dark when I am not with you. Baby, I'm going crazy. I wanna be somebody for you that makes your heart run wild. I wanna turn you on, 'cause lately I've been feeling like there's somebody.
Nice! Switch to the other side. Alam mo na gagawin? Give it your best shot, sexy love. You're doing this to lose weight and lose the belly fat.
Be the one, don't wanna lose, yeah. I wanna be the one that makes your heart run wild. I don't mind if you need to figure some things out by yourself. As long as you're committed to me and not somebody else.
Alright, this time, imbes na pababa, paangat naman ang legs natin. We're doing diagonal crunches, one side first. Exhale tayo sa crunch. Inhale, exhale. That's it. Don't forget to engage the abs.
But baby, I am going crazy. I wanna be somebody for you that makes your heart run wild. I wanna turn you on, 'cause lately I've been feeling like there's somebody you'd rather hide from. Don't wanna lose, yeah. I wanna be the
Good job! Kabilang side naman tayo. You know what to do? Show me what you got, sexy love.
I wanna be the one that makes your heart run wild. I wanna be the somebody for you that makes your heart run wild. I wanna turn you on, 'cause lately I've been feeling like there's someone you'd rather hide from. Don't wanna lose, yeah.
Nice! Sunod na move natin, crab walks. We keep both feet on the ground, lakad lang 2 steps each side, keeping down low to help us burn more calories for weight loss.
Moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Very good, sexy love. Last move is a cardio move for weight loss. Glute kickbacks with arm pulls. Parang sumasayaw lang, diba? Let's do this.
Get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air getting thinner. Standing in a
Lumiit.
All that I know is still get.
Yes naman, mukhang nadalian ka sa workout natin ha. Kung ganon, i-replay mo ito at ulitin mo pa ng isang beses for more calorie burn. At kung nag-enjoy ka, bigyan mo naman ng like and don't forget to check out the recipes in my meal prep ebooks para i-partner sa workout na ito for best results. Kung wala ka pang copy, check the link in the description box kung paano mag-avail. And kung gusto mo akong maging personal fitness coach ngayong summer, pwede rin naman. Ang sign-up form at ang rates ko ay nasa description din. O siya, sige na, continue working out or enjoy your rest. Bye!